Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Small Conversation Solution for Almirah Dampness. So, आप लोग तो जानते हैं recently I had to face this issue where the whole craft Almirah was fully damped, and I had to take all my craft supplies and put it on the floor. So in the next picture you will see how my Almirah got spoiled, and to remove this I had used clean cloth, and after that I had put wax all over the Almirah. I used Guardian wax, which is dark wood wax, and you can see the difference. So, Almirah dampness not only spoil the stuff but can also affect our health. So, it is very important to take adequate precaution to reduce the humidity inside the home. So, here is the tip of the day. Store only clean and dry items, especially mixed media supplies like sprays, mist, paste, put it out. Keep silica gel pouches. Then deep clean the storage once in 2 months and ensure good airflow. And this is how you can keep all your stuff safe and tidy and keep the dampness away.